Welcome back to Mega Industrial Power. In today's video, we're continuing our journey into the world of cutting-edge agricultural machinery, following up on our series, 30 agricultural machines operating with incredible efficiency. Get ready, because the machines you're about to see aren't just powerful. They operate with precision and efficiency that's almost unreal. At IFAPA, Spain's leading agricultural research center in Seville, a revolution has quietly begun, not through speeches but through action, in the form of a machine built to transform how citrus is harvested in ultra-dense orchards. Instead of needing dozens of workers squeezing between tightly packed trees, now it takes just one machine, arriving, gently wrapping around the trunk like an industrial handshake, and softly shaking. Not violently, not breaking branches. Just enough to make ripe oranges fall like a controlled rain of citrus. Modern sensor technology allows the machine to clearly distinguish between leaves and fruit, something the human eye can sometimes confuse. Only the perfectly ripened fruit is collected. Underripe ones are left on the tree to wait their turn. The fallen fruit lands in soft, cushioned trays, no bruising, no scratching, ready to be loaded onto trucks and taken straight to the processing plant. This isn't just a harvester. It's mechanical intelligence in action, a breakthrough pushing Spain's citrus industry into the era of speed, yield, and streamlined efficiency. And it proves one simple truth. The more crowded the trees, the narrower the paths, the more refined machines must become. This isn't a crop engineer, nor is it a traditional farmer. This is an AI farmer. Deep Field, the next-generation agricultural robot developed by Bosch, doesn't rely on instinct, only data. And it uses data the way an artist uses a brush. A high-resolution camera constantly scans the soil, analyzing every leaf, every sprout, and every patch of weeds trying to sneak in. Thanks to deep learning algorithms, it can distinguish crops from weeds with such accuracy that even the human eye can't always compete. But it doesn't just observe. Once it identifies what's what, the robot performs a full set of tasks. Watering the exact spot, fertilizing with the exact dose, and if it's a weed, eliminating it without a single drop of herbicide. All of this happens without a human operator, without intervention, without guesswork, just AI, cameras, sensors, and pure efficiency. This isn't future tech. It's already rolling through vegetable rows today, creating a model of agriculture that's precise, green, clean, and error-free. Deep Field doesn't replace humans. It upgrades them through artificial intelligence, real-time data, and farming accuracy on par with CNC machining. From a soggy, muddy, uncultivable swamp to a natural fuel depot, thanks to a monster machine called Mary Pete. Not an excavator, not a bulldozer, but a specialized peat moss cutter, equipped with a massive blade designed to slice through soft soil like butter and transform it into harvest-ready resources. In just one pass, the ground is carved like a cake, forming rows of peat blocks, clean even, and ready for drying and packaging. No need for shovels, no additional conveyors, just Mary Pete. And within hours, the entire landscape is reshaped. With heavy-duty blades, a high-strength frame, and track wheels that can crawl through deep mud, it thrives in terrain where no other machine dares to go. This is the kind of tech built for the edge of civilization, harvesting peat moss for biofuel, soil conditioners, and industrial materials. Mary Pete isn't just a machine. It's a tool that turns wild, untouched nature into a streamlined supply chain. Clean, fast, and unstoppable. This isn't just irrigation. It's a symphony of water. And Furbo is the conductor. This smart drip irrigation system operates like a floral orchestra, where every droplet is precisely controlled, falling at the right place, at the right time, in just the right amount. Each nozzle acts like an instrument, following commands from a central control unit that adjusts pressure and flow based on soil moisture, crop type, and even the weather. No overspraying, no uneven soaking, not a single drop wasted. Furbo integrates moisture sensors, automatic regulators, and a digital control panel, giving operators full command over the watering rhythm like a maestro with a baton. The result? Even crop growth, ideal soil texture, and significantly reduced water usage. Furbo doesn't spray randomly. It invests each drop, like a musical note in a harvest symphony. It may look like a tank, with its powerful track system. But the Quattro potato harvester doesn't tear up the field. It glides. This armored giant behaves more like a maternity nurse than a war machine, lifting potatoes gently, without breaking, scratching, or bruising them. Instead of digging aggressively, Quattro uses a smart sifting system paired with soft vibration technology to separate soil, lift the tubers, and eliminate debris, all in a single fluid motion. Each potato is lifted from the ground like a newborn, then laid carefully into the collection bin, clean, intact, and undamaged. With its 4 independent harvesting rows, the machine can work across wide areas while still treating each row with individual care. No mixing, no missing. Whether the soil is hard, wet, or uneven, Quattro runs as smoothly as a glider on a runway. All functions, digging depth, lifting force, vibration frequency, are auto-adjusted to ensure top-quality tuber harvesting. This isn't just a harvester, it's a machine that humanizes farm labor, turning one of the toughest tasks into a precise and effortless mechanical process. Ever seen how thick, tough, and moist a banana trunk is? Now forget about machetes or handheld cutters. With Krishna Netrang, a machine likened to a high-speed circular saw powered by a jet engine, shredding banana trunks happens in the blink of an eye. Its turbine, fast, spinning blade tears each trunk into tiny, clean, uniform pieces, sending them straight onto the conveyor as if you were milling flour, not farming. Precise, clean, ruthless, but incredibly effective. Meanwhile, in Germany, if you thought sunflower harvesting was a peaceful stroll under the sun, you haven't seen this mechanical superhero. A massive machine equipped with the Olassie Drago gold cutting head, mounted on a Claas Lexion, charges through the field like it's filming a Marvel action scene. In one pass, 16 rows of sunflowers disappear. Within seconds, seeds are separated, waste is blown away, and husks are compressed. All of this at a rate of up to 18 tons per hour. Enough to clear an entire field before the morning shift ends. This is no longer harvesting in the traditional sense. This is industrial-scale crop processing, powered by mechanical force, strong enough to earn the respect of any factory. Rice planting used to require an army of farmers wading through flooded fields, bending down to place each seedling. Now, just one person, and a machine called ASCII. No jerking, no crooked rows, no back pain. ASCII plants 8 rows at once, straight as if drawn with a laser. Fully electronically controlled, ASCII is programmed with positioning systems and leveling sensors to maintain precise spacing, depth, and planting angles for every seedling. No misaligned rows, no leaning stalks, no gaps. Every step forward covers a square meter of perfectly planted rice. Whether it's muddy, submerged, or windswept, its low-pressure wheels glide smoothly without disrupting the soil's surface. One field, one operator, and a mechanical arm planting with millimeter precision. The result? Higher yields, fewer workers, and most importantly, zero exhaustion. ASCII isn't just a rice planter. It's a breakthrough that elevates the entire farming process, bringing paddy agriculture into an era of alignment, accuracy, and automation. Their grape harvester doesn't climb slopes. It glides over them like a steel-armored ballet dancer, sliding across inclined terrain with a stability that would make even off-road vehicles jealous. Its specially engineered suspension system self-levels based on slope angle, keeping the entire machine upright. No tilting, no swaying, no shaking. Laser sensors constantly scan the ground, allowing the machine to adjust the tilt of each wheel in real time. While the body remains perfectly balanced, the grape-picking arm operates with pinpoint precision, picking each cluster without dropping underripe grapes or missing ripe ones. And the best part? The operator barely has to intervene. Everything is managed by an advanced automation system, allowing the machine to handle slopes as smoothly as flat ground. This is no longer just machinery. It's a mobile engineer designed to take on every farmer's nightmare: steep hills, soft soil, and narrow paths. The result? Precision, stability, and excitement in every operation. Thanks for joining Mega Industrial Power on this journey through the world of cutting-edge agricultural machinery. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Let us know in the comments which machine impressed you the most, or share suggestions for equipment you'd like us to feature in future videos. There's still a lot more advanced agricultural technology to explore. See you in the next video.